6 pounds of peaches drained. With our peaches, we're gonna add 1 can of crushed pineapple right in there. This is gonna be such a refreshing and delicious dessert that everyone will love. I have here some chopped pecans, and we're gonna add a generous amount of these pecans. Add as much or as little as you like. I think I'm gonna probably just go for the whole bag because my family loves pecans. Now I have some mini marshmallows. I think you guys could probably guess what I'm making now. We're gonna add a generous amount of mini marshmallows because they're so tasty and they add a nice little fluffy texture to this delicious dessert. So that we used about 3/4 a bag. Now this is optional, but I like it. We have some sweetened shredded coconut, and we're gonna add a good amount of the coconut too. It's okay if it comes out in chunks because we are gonna give this a good mix, but let's add about half a bag of that coconut. Oh my goodness. And you can do unsweetened if you don't want it to be too sweet. Now we have the family size vanilla instant pudding, and we're gonna use that whole box. So the peaches, the pineapple, the pecans, we have the marshmallows, the coconut, and now our pudding. This is gonna be so yummy. It smells good already. Now I have 16 ounces of Cool Whip, and we're gonna use this whole large container of Cool Whip, and we can kind of just spread it out so that it's easier to mix in our large aluminum tin. This just makes it easier for traveling, makes it easier for storage. I don't really have anything that's this large to mix in anyways, so let's get this going. Make sure we add all of that Cool Whip in there because this is what's gonna make it creamy and pull all of those flavors together. All right, now it is time to start mixing. Oh my, so this is like a Southern twist on a classic. It's so tasty. And you know, I know that sometimes people use the fruit cocktail, but this is one where it's just peaches, and that's how my family likes it. Look how it's just coming together beautifully. That pudding mix will make sure it's nice and thick. The Cool Whip makes it creamy. The marshmallows light and fluffy. So great for a barbecue dessert because it is refreshing. You don't have to turn on your oven. You can keep the grill going and get a perfect peach dessert on the side. Oh my goodness, great for a picnic, a potluck, whatever you are doing this summer, you need to bring this dessert. So let's get this fully combined. All right, this looks like it is beautifully mixed. We're just gonna flatten it out with our large spatula. And then this does need to go in the fridge for like an hour. So I'm just gonna put the lid that it comes with on, and let's pop this in the fridge. All right, it's been 1 hour. We gotta give this a taste test before we bring it to the barbecue. Oh my, it looks so good. Okay, get this little scoop right here. Oh yeah. Let me make sure I get peach in there. Probably should have diced up those peaches a little bit. That would have been a good idea. You guys can do that when you make it. Enjoy. That is scrumptious. You have to try it.